Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 14th, 2025, we're analyzing Bitcoin, looking at the latest news and the charts to see what might be coming. First, let's quickly go over some headlines. Recent news suggests crypto regulation shifts are happening, and some analysts are talking about Bitcoin potentially reaching $105,000. President Trump recently established a strategic Bitcoin reserve as well. However, other analysts warn of a potential drop to $73,000. It's a mixed bag out there. Now, let's get into the charts and see how this news correlates. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see Bitcoin has experienced significant volatility over the past several months. We saw a surge in late 2024, followed by corrections in early 2025. Notice the large swings in price action, perhaps coinciding with those regulatory shifts and the mixed signals from analysts that the news mentioned. Let's zoom in a bit on recent price action. Over the past few months, after a strong push-up, we've seen it pull back to the $78,000 range, before another bull surge all the way up to where we're at today, around $81,000, now showing resistance. There seems to be strong support around the $78,000 level, but watch out for that analyst warning of $73,000. That would be a bad sign if we saw it drop that far. Let's take a look at the hourly chart to see if we can find more detail. Looking at the 1-hour chart for the last few days, we can see a choppy sideways action. There's resistance around 83,300 and support around 82,700. We've been bouncing between these values, so keep an eye out for breakouts or breakdowns from that range. Given the news, it's hard to say if we're going to retest recent highs, but it's likely the next major move will be when we can hold above 83,300 with increasing volume. Let's recap the important levels. Long-term, keep an eye on $73,000 as a major bearish indicator, and the recent high of $73,000 as a very bullish event. Short-term, look for breakouts above $83,300 and breakdowns below $82,700. A breakout above $83,300 with strong volume would increase the likelihood of retesting recent highs and potentially reaching the $100,000 level, especially if those regulatory shifts are positive. Conversely, a breakdown below $82,700 could lead to further downside, testing that $78,000 support level.